And the objective of this agency is to develop Irish companies and assist them to internationalise. And that is to be very concerned about the levels of innovation, levels of research and development, and growing levels of exports in a substantially expanding number of countries overseas. Well, obviously Irish companies have been affected by the worldwide recession, particularly in 2009. But exports are up 10% in 2010, and we expect further export gain in 2011. And that's because Irish companies during the recession kept their investment in research and development high. And so when the growth opportunity came, when the recovery came, Irish companies have been well placed to take advantage of that recovery. Annually we invest on behalf of the state approximately €400 million in supporting client companies within the state. And also supporting them through a range of 33 worldwide offices overseas. So whether it's their development needs in Ireland, or whether it's their assistance with market development and market penetration overseas, we can help them there also. Well, cutbacks have been made generally across the government system in total. However, there are some exceptions to that, and I'm pleased to say in terms of the funding that we have received to assist companies, because the government realises this is going to be an export-driven recovery, and therefore our overall funding hasn't been affected. It has been affected obviously in relation to our operating budgets, where we have less people this year than we had in previous years. We're also investing in an increasing number of start-up, innovative companies, people coming out of academia, out of working for multinationals, out of working in Indigenous Irish industry, to set up their own company. And in the last 7 years, we have invested in over 500 of those. So you have a whole new wave of innovative technology companies coming from Ireland. Well, the most important one will be exports, and then jobs. So at the end of 2011, Irish companies will have exports of approximately €14 billion. And in terms of jobs, over the next 12 to 18 months, we'll create approximately 10,000 new jobs. But that's only because we're investing aggressively in startup companies, which are a great generator of jobs. In terms of equity investments alone, over the next 18 months, we will invest probably $50 million in equity into startup companies here.